After more than 6 months of ownership, here is the fuel efficiency and maintenance cost of owning a 2023 Montero Sport Black Series. Hi guys and gals, Ryan, your car guy here. For more driving insights, car tips, product, and car reviews, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free and it will go a long way in growing this channel. Let's start with the fuel efficiency. I mostly drive in the city, here in the slopes of Baguio. Not that many long trips. On average, I travel about 20 kilometers daily. I have been tracking its efficiency since I got it, and I make sure to get a full tank each time I refuel to get a more accurate reading. I also use an app to help keep track. Now here are the numbers. Average is 7.56 kilometers per liter. For its size, driving conditions, and my driving habits, I would say these numbers are expected. Now for cost of maintenance, so far I only had 2 PMS done, first 1,000 and 5,000 kilometers. Now Mitsubishi offers free labor for these first 2 PMS. I only paid for the oil and filters used. Here are the receipts: 6,080 pesos total for the 1,000 kilometer PMS and 1,248 pesos on the 5,000 kilometer PMS. That brings the total cost of maintenance for the first 6 months to 7,328 pesos. Now, like I said, labor was free, so I'm expecting the price to increase in my next PMS. Well, generally, as cars age, maintenance tend to really become more costly due to several parts and fluids that wear out and need replacement. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more.